Okay, so I'm on a journey to learn how to code. Um, the idea is that coding or programming is like knowing how to do math or knowing how to read. The ability to communicate with computers, um, I believe, is going to open a bunch of doors for entrepreneurship and for just making more useful things in the world. So that's the idea. The idea is for me to have a new skill to make more useful things in the world. And one of the things that I've been focusing on in the last few weeks is taking personality tests that companies give their employees. My favorite right now is the one that Ray Dalio provides on his website. He created a whole application. It's for free, and it's based around his book called Principles. So it's about finding your own principles. And what it's highlighted for me is my strengths and my weaknesses. I found that one of my strengths is the ability to dive into the unknown, um, and the ability to learn fast. Those are two of my strengths. So when thinking, how do I use this to build a better life, um, it was pretty clear to me that I should run towards the frontiers of technology, the frontiers of what's new, and very quickly get to a high level of proficiency, not necessarily being the best in the world at it, but get to a high level of proficiency where I can use that skill to create more things for the world. And so that's what we're doing with coding. If you're interested to learn how to code, the way that I'm starting is through Code Academy, which is, I believe they offer a few free courses. I paid for the 1 year membership, so I've got access to all the courses. And I started with JavaScript. That's apparently one of the most popular programming languages out in the internet. And it also is a good language to start with. My approach to this has been doing it every day. So I do it at least every day for at least an hour. And it reminds me of when I went down to Colombia to learn how to dance salsa. Um, the doing it every day for a little bit, at least an hour, really takes the pressure off of um, you know the learning process, I think, because you're not cramming in 4 hours of learning once a week, but instead it's just little by little. And by the end of the week, you really start seeing how you're understanding the the subjects. Um, I haven't built my own individual project yet, so I'm excited to get to do that. But I'm almost done with the introductory JavaScript course, and I am going to do a full stack developer course on Code Academy as well. And while at the same time taking an MIT full stack developing course that one of my friends bought. So I'm trying to immerse myself as much as possible. It seems like the Code Academy course is going to cover about the same things that the MIT course is going to cover. So, just extra practice. Another resource that I've been looking at is books. So I bought 2 books. Well, actually, I bought one book called Clean Code. I believe it's by Robert something. I forgot his last name. But it's a book that teaches you principles for writing code that is clean. Easy to read, easy to handle, easy to work with, and effective. And the other book that I just started reading today is called Eloquent JavaScript. That one is free. Actually, they're both free online. I didn't realize that there's ebooks of both of them. So Clean Code is the first one, and Eloquent JavaScript is the other one, which now that I'm finishing this introductory JavaScript course, that Eloquent JavaScript book is actually it's pretty cool because it's teaching me the exact same thing I learned in the course. And so yeah, it's just repetitions, doing it every day, and that's how I'm learning how to code. That's my first update. 9 p.m., 9:20 p.m. right now. Time to go to sleep and do it all over again tomorrow.